Compound expectation for 2023 is between 70.49 and 116.81, and the compound comp cost could soon reach 150. The negative compound comp cost expectation for 2023 is 27.36. We use measurements, cost designs, RSI, Reval, and a lot of other data about comp to predict how digital money will change in the future. What is compound? Compound comp is an IRC20 resource that takes into account local area administration of the compound convention, comp token holders, and their members chat, suggest, and vote on all convention changes. It means to allow a dispersed group of PCS to run a customary currency market. Compound, one of a growing number of decentralized finance DeFi conventions, uses a variety of crypto resources to provide this service. This lets people lend and borrow money without a financial middleman like a bank. Compound Comp's expected value in 2023 is 83rd based on its market cap and the factors of its market cap. In the above picture, you can see how the compound cost forecast for 2023 fits into a typical time frame. An optimistic inversion design, compound comp spread out a right calculated falling expanding wedge. The example is a changed climbing triangle because it has two connecting lines, a level line for the resistance, and a negative descending line for the help at the time of investigation. The price of compound comp was recorded at 58.77. If the current trend continues, the price of comp could reach the resistance levels of 69.41 and 208.34 cents. If the trend changes, the price of comp could fall to the support levels of 42.88 and 23.37 compound comp resistance and support levels. The table below shows the possible amounts of resistance and support for compound comp in 2023. The technical examination marker relative volume Reval is used to compare the amount of trading on a resource link to its new average volumes. It is usually calculated by dividing the current day's trading volume by the average volume over a set time, such as the past 20 or 50 trading days. It also helps brokers spot unusual trading movements and changes. At the time of the investigation, the Reval of compound comp was found to be below the end line. This means that not many people are trading the current thing. The moving normal MAMA is the next specialty pointer. This force marker is used to organize cost data and spot patterns. It helps figure out the average cost of a resource over a certain time frame, especially the 50-day moving average. MAMA looks at the average closing price of a resource over the past few days. When the price is above 50 MA, it's considered to be in an uptrend, and when it's below 50 MA, it's considered to be in a decline. This is shown in the graph above. The comp cost lies over 50 MA at the moment, which shows that it is going up, so comp is in a strong state even though a pattern reversal could happen. The general strength record is up next. RSI, this exam marker helps brokers figure out the strength and force of a resource's price change over a certain period of time. In this exam, the RSI is calculated by looking at the resource's average gains and losses over the past 14 periods. The next value is between 0 and 100, so readings over 70 show overbought states and readings under 30 show oversold states. Traders often use the RSI to find potential pattern reversals or to confirm the course of the patterns. Like when a resource is going up and the RSI comes to a reading of 70, which shows overbought states. If a resource is going down and the RSI is at 30, it could mean that a slowdown or correction is coming. At the time of investigation, the RSI of comp is at 63.45, which shows that comp is in an overbought state. State compound comp price prediction 2023 ads for V, and below we break down the strength and unpredictability of compound comp using the following technical analysis guidelines. Normal directional file ads and relative instability file V. To figure out how strong the pattern energy is, let's look at the normal directional file ADX. The ADX value is based on two directional growth indicators, DMI, like put I, and it ranges from 0 to 100. According to the details on the graph above, the complies index and the scope of 67.0 for the above outline also shows another technical pointer, the total instability record RV, which calls attention to a very interesting pattern. This marker predicts how unpredictable the cost of a resource will change over a certain time period based on the information in the diagram. From the above graph, we can see that the price movement of comp is similar to that of BTC and F, meaning that when the price of BTC and F goes up or down, the price of comp goes up or down, too. With the help of the specialized examination marks and pattern designs we've already talked about, we can predict that the cost of compound comp will be somewhere between 2024 and 2030. Compound comp price prediction 2024. If bulls beat the price energy and pattern designs, compound comp could try and beat its competition levels to reach $160 by 2024. Compound comp price prediction 2025. Huge changes to the compound environment could persuade a larger number of investors to back the project. This could help the compound comp cost hit $180 by 2025. Compound comp value expectation for 2026. If compound comp does a good job of testing its major competition levels and keeps moving toward possible gains, it could hit 200 in 2026. If compound comp has a lot of competition and looks like a good investment, it could rally to hit $220 by 2028. If it keeps a positive market feeling in the middle of a very unstable crypto market by driving big price rallies, it could hit $240 by 2029. If financial backers come in and keep the price up, it could go even higher. As a result, comp could reach $270 by 2029. The value of comp is expected to be $30,000 by 2030. If the pattern energy changes for Arbitrum, the comp price could go up to $300. Comp would also have a positive market opinion and be called a long-term investment with a high return on capital. If compound comp becomes a smart investment in 2023, this year would be the best for the digital currency. Taking everything into account, the bullish compound comp price expectation for 2023 is 116.81. While the negative compound comp price expectation for 2023 is 27.36. If there is a positive Hague, the bullish compound comp price expectation for 2023 is 116.81. ChatGPT makes predictions about the price of Bitcoin after the halving in 2024. Will the price of BTC20 also skyrocket? With less than 9 months until the next halving of Bitcoin, BTC, people are getting more and more excited about a possible rise to new all-time highs. When the 840,000th block is